Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. JASSM-ER AGM-158 missile. Asterisk in the realm of precision strike weapons, few systems embody stealth, range, and survivability as effectively as the American JASSM-ER, the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile Extended Range, designated AGM-158B. This advanced cruise missile represents the next generation of long-range strike capability. Designed to penetrate the most sophisticated enemy air defenses, at its core, the JASSM-ER builds upon the proven AGM-158A design, but with enhanced fuel efficiency, optimized aerodynamics, and an extended range exceeding 900 kilometers, more than double that of the original variant. This vast reach allows launch platforms to strike critical targets while remaining far outside the range of hostile surface-to-air missiles. Stealth is its defining attribute, with a low radar cross-section, composite materials, and precision guidance systems including GPS navigation and infrared terminal homing. The missile is engineered to slip through integrated air defense networks undetected. Once near its target, the infrared seeker provides pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that high-value assets, command centers, radar installations, air bases, or warships are destroyed with surgical precision. The JASSM-ER can be launched from a wide variety of platforms, B-1 and B-50 to strategic bombers, F-15E and F-16 fighters, and even the cutting-edge F-35 Lightning II. This interoperability ensures that U.S. and allied forces retain flexible strike options across multiple theaters of operation. Strategically, the missile plays a critical role in the evolving doctrine of standoff warfare, by allowing aircraft to engage targets deep inside hostile territory without crossing into defended airspace. JASSM-ER minimizes risk to pilots while maximizing operational impact. It is a weapon designed not for indiscriminate destruction, but for precision dominance in environments where survival is measured in seconds. In essence, the AGM-158B JASSM-ER is more than a missile. It is a symbol of modern warfare's shift towards stealth, distance, and precision. A silent hunter, capable of striking where it matters most, while remaining invisible until the moment of impact. Asterisk. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.